told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be creating this beautiful soft romantic rose gold makeup look. Today's video is in collaboration with Daniel Wellington and I'm wearing their Quadro pressed Melrose watch. It's from their Petite collection and the dial color is Mother of Pearl Pink. Also the bracelet I'm wearing, it's their Elan bracelet. It's a classic bracelet of stainless steel with a rose gold plating. It looks so classy, elegant, sophisticated and goes with almost every freaking outfit. These are such good gifting options and you can totally gift it to yourself, your sisters, your friends, mother, literally anyone and everyone can wear them. And yeah, now let's get started with the makeup look. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna use is a lip balm to moisturize my lips, and this is so thick, so nourishing, so moisturizing on the lips. This is more of a lip mask to me. I just love it. Then to moisturize my face, I'm using this Mamaearth Rice Gel Face Moisturizer. This is so lightweight and hydrating on the skin. I recently bought it and I love it. Once that is done, let's move on to the primer, and today I'll be using this Fit Me Dewy Finish Primer. This looks so beautiful, hydrating and glowy on the skin. Highly recommend this if you have dry and dehydrated skin. Try this one out.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Can you guys see how beautiful, nice, dewy and juicy it makes my skin look? Love this one. I recently bought this Purplle concealer palette. I have heard such good reviews on this particular palette, so I thought of trying this one out and applying it wherever I have a little bit of darkness on my face, like underneath my eyes, around my mouth, and also wherever I want to highlight my face, like the bridge of my nose, on my chin, on my forehead. And I think I took a little too much than what I needed and it started looking a little heavy on the skin. The concealer palette is not bad, but I would say start with a very small amount, otherwise it starts looking cakey, and also if you apply a little too much underneath your eyes, it starts creasing underneath your eyes. And once I'm done spreading it out, I will start blending it with a beauty sponge.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to.
To set my under eyes and T-zone area, I'm using the Sugar Compact Powder. It feels so lightweight on the skin and it's so finely milled. I really like this one. Although I didn't like the concealer around my eye area, it was looking a bit drying. Then to set the parameters of my face, I'm using the KIRO Botanico Matte Compact. What I really like about these two compacts are they don't look drying on the skin. Using the Plum Hyaluronic Acid Toner as my face mist to deal with all of the powderiness that I have. For my brows today, I'll be using the Sugar Arch Arrival Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe Tom. I just love using it. It gives such natural and beautiful looking brows. Now to set them in place, I'm using the Essence Brow Mascara.
Hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Coming to the hero product of this makeup look, and I recently got this Sugar Contour de Force Eyes and Face palette in the shade 02 Pink Pro. First I'll be taking this contour / bronzer shade to chisel out my cheekbones, and dude, this is so freaking pigmented.
As you fade away.
Now I'll be taking this beautiful peachy pink blush, and this time I'm very careful so that I don't apply too much of it. This is very pigmented yet blendable and looks really nice on the skin.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Using the same bronzer shade as my eye contour, and I'm applying it as the transition of my eyes, as well as I'm contouring my nose with it. As you guys can see, it gives such beautiful definition to my eyes, and what I really like about this particular palette is this is gonna suit every Indian skin tone.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Taking this beautiful peachy pink shade and blending it out with the bronzer shade that I've applied on my crease so that everything looks nice and seamless.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too.
Now taking this beautiful bronzy coppery shade and applying it all over my eyelid, and can you guys see how beautiful it looks?
Too long it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
To intensify the color a bit more, I'm using the same face mist to wet the brush and applying the same shade again, and this time it looks more blingy and shiny.
As you fade away.
Next, using the champagne gold shade to highlight the inner corners of my eyes.
As you fade
Now using the highlighter shade to highlight all of the highest points of my face.
away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
To finish off the eyes, I will curl my lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara. For my lipstick today, I'll be using 2 of my favorite lipsticks from Sugar Cosmetics. Both of them are my absolutely favorite, and I think you should definitely try at least one shade from this particular range. It's so beautiful. So yeah, the first shade is Rose Job and the second one is Rosy Picture. These are such beautiful everyday pink shades. Highly recommend them. So yeah guys, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. All of the product details and links are mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.